Hello guys, hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and today I am with a very simple but powerful app that is Banged. So this is the members area of Banged and inside this video you will be given the big knowledge, you will be given the detailed knowledge about Banged app. So let's get into Banged. I don't want to waste your time. So the first thing is the training. Inside training section the trainings are given. Next thing is the settings. Inside settings you can use the API feature by getting any APIs from other apps like GetResponse, like any other autoresponders or any other app you want to integrate inside this tool. That can be done by this API feature. Also you can use the Google Analytics feature using the API, or you can use any other API possible features. Next thing is your ClickBank ID. You should update your ClickBank ID with your ID inside this app after getting this tool. And the next thing is the Bitly shortener app is also given. The Bitly shortening app is given. App, or what should I say, the server based program is given. Next thing is the campaign. Inside campaign there are some done for you campaigns are given. Let me show you one of the campaigns, the Flat Valley Fix. If I want to click, if I am clicking on the I button or on the I icon, it will open up the normal page, the normal landing page, and that will show you that how cool is this app. The simple but very powerful landing pages can be created with this tool. Any people will put their email address in this kind of simple landing pages. They are totally focused, but I think the background should be little bit darker. You can do so also. And if you want to create a campaign from scratch, you can use the custom option, or you can click on new campaign. Inside new campaign you need to put your campaign name, you need to put your niche, you need to choose the product that is previously selected by this tool from ClickBank. And after selecting, I am selecting the yoga burn, and after selecting the campaign will be ready after. Let me show you. So offer selected with success, and let me click on next, and then I have to put the content, then the settings. And inside customs, I was wrong about custom. Inside custom you can use your custom, you can promote your custom products. Like you can use the custom feature, you can use the front end. Inside front end there are the 5 custom options are available. You can see here 5 custom campaigns you can create. So you need to put the general stuff, you need to put the headline, the sub headline, the call to action, and spam conditions. Okay, no spamming will be allowed, that kind of stuff. Next thing is the leads. So you don't need to get any autoresponder to use this tool, or you don't have to waste money inside any other apps. After getting this tool you can capture leads inside this tool, and with a very very careful way, or very playfully, or very managefully, you can use this tool. Within just $17 you can save up your so much money by just investing $17 inside this tool. You are getting the autoresponder, the lead capturing feature, the campaigns, the settings, the landing page builder, everything. The promote option is also given. You can promote you can see the campaigns from any other platforms, like popular platforms. You can promote any product inside these platforms. And basically I don't know what is the promote exactly, but that is why I am just making up some story about the promote. And next thing is the profile. That is very basic for any other app. Your profile can be changed from here. Your name, your everything can be changed. So that is the tool, and this is the sales page. If you click any of the buttons on this page, you will be sent to the sales page. This is the sales page, I am repeating, and you will be given some bonuses, 29 plus bonuses with front end from my side, from this website, and 400 plus mega bonuses with this tool totally free. So now these are the bonuses now you are watching on the screen. These bonuses will be delivered to you totally in an automatic way, and there are some mega bonuses. Click any of the buttons and you will be sent to the sales page. Get the tool within $17, and there are also some vendor bonuses. So these are the vendor bonuses. There are so many vendor bonuses. I think there are 25 vendor bonuses, and that will be delivered to you. So this is me, Chayan Sarkar. Now I am signing out for this video. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.